In this video, we're going to talk about our automated axle adjust. So in order to make those adjustments, you'll maneuver to your auto axle adjust object pool, which is here. You'll see once you're on that screen, it'll read the current spacing for your front and your rear spacing, along with each tire spacing from center. To make adjustments, there's a couple ways to do that. The first would be to come into your preset select, and you can have 5 presets loaded where you can just check the box and move the wheels to those spacings. You can also come in and do a manual adjust where you can type in which spacing you want, and then you can extend or retract the cylinders manually to move the axles in or out. And the last one is our spacing control. So here, if we just want to type in a new wheel spacing, we'll type in 160 inches. Click OK, and here we hit the activate button, and now we need to move forward at a speed of 1 to 5 miles per hour, and the axles will start to adjust on their own after hitting the axle engage button on the right hand console. Once the new spacing is achieved, the status will turn green and our wheels are out at 160 inches.